Are you looking for the top 5 best evaporative air coolers for ultimate comfort? Which evaporative air cooler is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Arctic Air Pure Chill 2.0. First up is the Arctic Air Pure Chill 2.0 by Ontel. This portable cooler caught my eye with its sleek design and energy-efficient hydro chill technology, priced at just $38.66. If you want a lightweight, eco-friendly solution for those hot days, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Pure Chill 2.0 operates on just 8 to 10 watts, meaning it won't break the bank on your electricity bill. It features dual cooling jets that help cool and humidify the air around you, perfect for those dry summer days. Plus, it runs for up to 10 hours on a full tank, so you can enjoy cool air all night without constant refills. It's also super easy to use. Just pour water in, plug it in, and relax. Now, some people complained about the airflow capacity being only 0.02 CFM, which might not be sufficient for larger rooms. Here's the thing though, this cooler is designed for personal spaces, so if you need something for your desk or bedside, it does the job just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a portable solution for small areas. Skip this one if you need something to cool a large room quickly. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if the limited airflow...
Product number 2, Drio TurboCool Misting Fan. Next is the Drio TurboCool Misting Fan, priced at $76.49. What stood out to me is its ability to drop temperatures by 5 degrees Fahrenheit, which can genuinely make a difference on a hot day. If you're after a fan that really cools you down, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a powerful airflow capacity of 512 CFM and speeds up to 26 feet per second, this fan offers instant relief. The ultra-fine mist technology ensures you stay cool without feeling wet, making it perfect for indoor use. It's also whisper quiet at just 20 decibels, so you won't be disturbed while you sleep or work. Plus, its 12-hour runtime means you won't have to worry about refilling it constantly. However, some users found the mist feature a bit too fine, saying it doesn't cool as effectively if you're in a larger area. I'll be real with you. While it's not meant for big rooms, if you're sitting nearby, it works wonders. This is ideal for anyone wanting efficient cooling without the noise. Skip it if you need something for large spaces. For the features it offers, I think it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list, product number 3, Air Choice Swamp Cooler. Now let's talk about the Air Choice Swamp Cooler, priced at $139.99. This one is a powerhouse with a 3000 CFM airflow capacity, and it really caught my attention for its versatility. If you want an all-in-one cooling solution for larger spaces, this is worth considering. This unit is a 3-in-1 evaporative cooler, humidifier, and fan. It has a 5.5-gallon water tank and includes 4 ice packs, which means you can enjoy cool air for longer periods without frequent refills. The 120-degree oscillation helps distribute the air evenly, and it covers a wide area, making it great for patios or larger rooms. Plus, it operates quietly, so it won't disrupt your comfort. That said, some users mentioned that it's a bit bulky and not as portable as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you need effective cooling for a larger area, that size is a trade-off for performance. This is perfect for anyone looking to cool down their living room or office effectively. Skip this if you need something compact and easy to move around. For the
Product number 4, Hesser MC37M. Next up is the Hesser MC37M, priced at $389. Now, I know this might seem steep, but this unit is built for serious cooling with a 3100 CFM airflow capacity. If you're serious about beating the heat and want something durable, this one is definitely worth a look. What's great about the Hesser is its energy efficiency. It can save you up to 50% on electricity compared to traditional AC units. It features a 10.3-gallon tank that provides 3 to 4 hours of cooling, and the built-in float valve allows for continuous water flow. This means you can set it up and forget about constant refills. However, some users pointed out that it can be noisy, especially on higher settings. Here's the thing. If you're using it in a well-ventilated area, it's manageable, but if you're sensitive to noise, that might be a deal breaker. This is great if you want powerful cooling for larger spaces like workshops or outdoor gatherings. Skip it if you're looking for something quiet and compact.
Product number 5, Relitech Evaporative Air Cooler. Finally, we have the Relitech Evaporative Air Cooler, priced at $116.84. Its bladeless design and portability stood out to me, making it a great choice for families with kids or pets. If you're looking for a safe and practical option, this could be the one. This cooler delivers up to 1,000 CFM airflow and can cool areas up to 300 square feet. It has 3 speed settings and modes, so you can customize your cooling experience. The 12-hour timer and low noise level, just 45 decibels, make it perfect for overnight use, and it even has an aroma compartment for added relaxation. On the downside, the water tank is only 0.8 gallons, which means it requires more frequent refills compared to larger units. Here's the thing though, for personal use, it's still effective and easily manageable. This is ideal for anyone wanting a safe, quiet cooling solution for smaller spaces. Skip it if you need long-lasting cooling without refills. For the price and features, it's a great value.
So, to recap, the Arctic Air Pure Chill is great for personal use. The Drio Turbo Cool excels in misting. The Air Choice is perfect for larger areas. The Hissair is powerful but a bit noisy, and the Relitech is safe and family-friendly. Depending on your needs, there's definitely something here for everyone. Stay cool this summer.